Hi everyone. So here's a simple way of how I use share screen to teach 4 different things. We're going to start with sentence stress, and then we're going to look at word stress, stress timing, as well as intonation. So first, open up one of your scripts or something like that. This is something I use in class every now and then. And I'm just going to point this out to a student. So here we're going to mark the sentence stress in the sentence. So for example, hi Tanya, grab seat, just asking, Phil smoked stairwell yesterday. So these are the most important words in the sentence, and by getting the students to underline it, it will train them to pronounce those words with a slightly louder voice and a slightly longer or stronger stress. So hi Tanya, grab a seat. I was just asking Phil here if he smoked in the stairwell yesterday. Now once that's done, the students can then annotate it themselves. And this is really useful for them to practice sentence stress by themselves. I wonder if it did. Oops. I saw you. Took photo and something like that. Now besides teaching sentence stress, you can also look at word stress, and I normally just mark it with a simple star or tick or something like that. So let's just use a star. Asking, stairwell, yesterday, recall, talking, smoking. Right? So then you can get your students to do it themselves, and they can use a different stamp. So maybe an X or something, or maybe a heart shape. Smoking, taking pictures, and stuff like that. Now besides that, you can also use this to teach intonation. So with a yes/no question, generally the intonation ends with a rising tone. So for example, were you smoking in the stairwell yesterday afternoon? Yep. And with who, what, when, where, why, and how questions, the intonation actually goes down. What time are you talking about? What time are you talking about? So then the students can mark the intonation by themselves as well, and they can discuss it amongst themselves. Now finally, using Zoom is really useful to teach stress timing, and this is a very hard concept to get across in class. But with stress timing, and if everyone's looking at your screen at the same time, it's quite easy to teach on Zoom. So let's have a look at a simple sentence. Maybe, yeah, let's look at this one again. Tanya, grab seat, just asking Phil here if he smoked in the stairwell yesterday. Just asking Phil here. Alright, so this is a good spot to show stress timing. Now, because these words are stressed, they're going to take a slightly longer time than words that are not stressed. So actually these words which are not stressed are going to take the same time as this single word here. I was just asking Phil here if he smoked in the stairwell yesterday. So short, long, short, long. Yep. So if you look at it that way, it almost looks a little bit like Morse code, and it's really easy for the students to recognize that these words are going to be spoken much faster compared to the words which should be stressed. Alright, hopefully that was useful.